Considering trading with the broker IUX? Wondering if you can trust them with your money? Then this video is for you. We'll reveal everything you need to know about trading with IUX. Can you trust this broker? Are their trading fees and spreads competitive? Are there enough markets and tools available to fit your trading style? Plus, we'll take you on a live tour of the IUX trading platforms so you can see the broker's trading features firsthand. Lastly, we'll give you our honest verdict on trading with IUX. So stick around for the full scoop. But hey, if you're eager to jump to a specific section, just use the chapters feature below. Let's get started. Launched in 2016 and headquartered in Cyprus, IUX is also registered in the Comoros Islands and South Africa. Traders can access over 120 markets from the MT5 and the IUX's own custom-built web platform. Its highlight features include relatively fast execution speeds, around 62 milliseconds, and high leverage options, going up to 1 to 3,000 with the Comoros entity and up to 1 to 400 through the FSCA regulated entity. Before we dive into the details, remember, if you're interested in checking out IUX for yourself at any point during this video, you can click the link in the description below or on the top right corner for the best offer available in your region. Let's kick off with IUX's trust rating. Is the broker reliable? Let's take a closer look. IUX has two entities regulated by the Financial Conduct Services Authority of South Africa and the Comoros International Services Authority of Mali. These are considered second and third tier regulators respectively. Now, what does this mean for you exactly? The broker guarantees some essential safety requirements. Both of its global entities state that your funds are kept in segregated accounts. This means your funds are not mixed up with company funds, keeping it safe even if the broker faces financial problems. We also found that both entities offer a negative balance protection. This prevents your account from going below zero due to sudden market changes. We've determined the broker is reasonably safe to trade with. However, because it's newer to the industry and lacks licensing from top-tier regulators and a compensation scheme, we've given IUX a trust score of 2.7 out of 5. Now, if you're interested in more detailed insights into our trust assessment, head over to our website for the full review. You'll find the link in the description below. Now let's tackle IUX's fees. How much will spreads and commissions actually cost you, and how do they stack up against the industry? We ran our tests using the IUX standard CFD trading account, which includes spreads and swap rollover fees, but no commissions. To get a more balanced view, we ran these tests at the peak trading times in the London and New York trading sessions. So, what did we find? When it comes to fees, IUX really stands out. The broker offers trading fees that are lower than the industry average for most of its account types and markets available. For example, let's dive into the numbers from our live test. We found that spreads on metals, cryptocurrencies, and both major and minor currency pairs are well below the average, which is quite impressive. This trend extends to share CFDs, where spreads are also better than what many competitors offer. There is an exception though, which you can see in our table. The spread for stock indices such as the Dow Jones 30 Index is nearly twice the industry average. As for the swap and rollover fees, we found them generally low to average compared to the broader industry. Another bonus is that there is no fee for inactivity. As IUX's fees are generally quite competitive, they've received a solid score of 4.5 out of 5 in this category. And next up, we checked the broker's trading platforms. Finding the one that fits just right can be a game changer for your trading experience. IUX offers two trading platforms, suitable for both beginner and advanced traders. Although this isn't a wide selection of platforms, we appreciate brokers that invest in their proprietary trading systems. Firstly, the broker's proprietary IUX platform is available as a web platform and app. The WebTrader platform is beginner-friendly with a clean and straightforward design powered by TradingView. It is easy to navigate and also offers some advanced features such as one-click trading. The broker also offers access to the well-known MetaTrader 5, available as a desktop platform and mobile app. MT5 mainly caters to advanced traders interested in customizable features and automated trading. Now, let's take a quick tour of the broker's proprietary platform, the MT5 desktop platform, and the MT5 mobile app. Let's take a look at the IUX Web Platform. The The interface is minimalistic and intuitive, making it suitable for beginners and casual traders. To the left of the interface, we have a navigation menu where you can pull up the order ticket and view your open positions and history of trades. Standard order types like market orders, limit orders, and stop loss orders are all available, and conditions like fill or kill or immediate or cancel can be applied. Now, take a look at the charts within the platform. Cutting-edge charts are powered by TradingView, which feature over 100 technical indicators and drawing tools. So let's add some Bollinger Bands. I like the tab menu at the top here, where you can flip between charts. And from here, you can also pull up over 250 different CFD instruments. Finally, to the right of the screen, we have the running P&L and buy and sell buttons for fast and convenient order entry. Now, IUX also offers MetaTrader 5, a powerful platform that provides advanced order types, robust charting, and automated trading. The platform is made up of 4 major panels: Market Watch, Navigator, Charts, Toolbox. The Market Watch panel allows you to track the live prices of your favorite instruments. You can double click to pull up the order ticket, and to view the chart of a specific instrument, you can simply drag it over. From the navigation panel, you can toggle between different accounts, work with custom indicators and expert advisors for automated trading. The MT5 provides sophisticated charting with over 80 technical indicators and drawing tools. You can get in and out of the market fast with one-click trading and trading from the chart. Another feature that I like is that you can tile the charts to view multiple markets at once. Now, finally, in the Toolbox panel, you can do things like track your open positions, your history of trades, check up on upcoming economic releases, and you can also set price alerts. And here we have the MetaTrader 5 app offered by IUX. This is a robust and well-designed app. And here we're looking at the quotes tab where you can view your watch list of the live prices of your favorite instruments. If you tap an instrument, you can pull up a new order, and we've got market, limit, and stop loss orders all available. Moving over to the charts tab, we have a nice large full-size charts here featuring 30 technical indicators, and you can use one-click trading and trading from the chart to enter your trades quickly while you're on the move. Moving over to the trade app, you can track your P&L and the live P&L of your open positions. And finally, here in the history tab, you can see your completed trades. Our score for IUX's platforms and tools is a respectable 4.3 out of 5. And finally, to capitalize on the best trading opportunities around the world, your broker must offer a diverse range of markets. IUX presents a modest selection with around 120 markets available. This lineup includes 34 currency pairs, 11 indices, 6 commodities, 16 cryptocurrencies, and 55 share CFDs. This limited diversity in tradable instruments led to a below average rating for IUX in this category with a score of 3.7 out of 5. In just a moment, we'll share our verdict on trading with IUX, but first, let me share a bit about us and why you can rely on our insights. Our broker analyst crew is a mix of seasoned analysts and pro traders. We've been reviewing Forex brokers for 12 years. This year alone, we've tested 80 Forex brokers, giving us a deep understanding of the industry to compare and evaluate them effectively. Okay, with all of this in mind, is IUX the right broker for you? Let's recap what they bring to the table. First off, the broker meets most of the essential safety requirements, such as segregated accounts and negative balance protection. However, both of its entities are licensed by low-tier regulators in lesser-known financial jurisdictions, and there is no compensation scheme. On the other hand, this allows them to offer much higher leverage compared to the big brands, up to 1 to 3,000 with the ISA-regulated offshore entity. Where IUX really shines is in trading fees. Spreads and commissions beat the industry average in nearly all markets except for stock indices, which were notably higher. The broker offers 2 trading platforms, the IUX proprietary platform, which is well suited for beginner traders, and the MT5 platform, which is excellent for more advanced traders. On the downside, the broker falls short compared to the industry leaders in terms of top-tier regulation and years in business. The selection of markets is also limited compared to the industry average, though it covers the most popular major markets. So, who is IUX best suited for? We rated IUX as best for day and swing traders. Short-term day traders will benefit from fast execution speeds under 62 milliseconds, excellent charting from TradingView on the IUX platform, 0 commissions, and low spreads. Swing traders will appreciate MetaTrader 5 advanced charting tools, the broker's low overnight swap fees, and high leverage. In our assessment, we awarded IUX with an overall score of 3.8 out of 5. And there you have it, our take on IUX. Interested in giving them a go? Just click the link in the description or the top right corner to head straight to their site. You can also check the more detailed review of the broker on our website. Share your thoughts, comment with any questions about IUX, or suggest brokers for our future reviews. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading insights. We'll see you in the next video.